Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Techans. So in few days back the Google launched its one of the new update, and the update is you can easily recharge your mobile phone by using Google. So there is no need for installing the applications, and also they provide information about which application give more cashback offers. So if you like to know this trick, just follow me friends. So let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your Google application in your Android mobile or iOS device. So now in the search bar section, you can type SIM recharge. But in this mobile number section, it automatically assign my prepaid mobile number. So if you want to recharge your mobile, first of all enter your mobile number and then choose mobile operator and circles. But in most of the case, it automatically assign these details by based on your mobile number location. So once you complete these steps and then press browse plans. So here it shows full talk time offers and popular and special recharge. So this is for your choice. So I try to select any one of the recharge amount. But in this section, you can note one thing. So it displays some cashback offers, and also they provide informations about which app give more cashback offers. But if you want to get this cashback, you can install that particular application from Google Play Store. So otherwise, if you're not interested, just select Google Pay or Paytm application to complete these transactions. So once you select it, your Google Pay or Paytm application is automatically opening for your mobile recharge. And then click to proceed your recharge amount. So due to the video time duration, I finished up my tutorial. So this is the way you can easily recharge your mobile with high cashback offer. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Techans, and thanks for watching.